Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna do a little random art vlog. Bruh. We had just dropped Haley off at work. I'm gonna head to my mom's right now, get some work done that I need to do. I'm gonna pick her up from work and then we're gonna go to my house. We got some pretty cool ideas. We just got to my mom's. It's pretty early, everyone's still sleeping. Hey guys, so we're back at my dad's house. I've got a lot of stuff to do today, but a time to work on these coffee tables. So I'm gonna show you guys them real quick. They're a little dusty, but I'll get them all cleaned off. That's how you know. You've definitely been sanding, boy. Definitely been sanding.
Just leave me and my untied shoes alone, Gary.
Do you hear that, bro? Do you guys hear that? I think someone's on my lawn, bro. It's on my lawn, dog. I think someone's on my lawn. Get off my lawn. Get off my... Get off. Man. Stay off. Get this first one done. Bruh, of course it don't fit. What a mess. I haven't been filming because my storage is full and it's just a decoration for my room. Tangerino? Tangerino. Bruh. That's a cool color. Not enough. Why not? Get out, boy. Come on, we got this with one hand. Yeah. Ooh, gooey. Get in there, sis. I ain't got no paint on my hands. Liar. Okay, what other ones? Which one do we want? Oh, I got these two. I want these two. Let me see. Oh. That one. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Thirsty. Oh. I need to sit in that chair. Uh-oh. It's kind of heavy. Who you calling a smurf, boy? I'm only just a little smurf. Maybe some more red. Nope. No. I like this red the most. Wait, I already have. Oh, that red's cool. I like that red. All right, this is gonna be pretty wild, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna get started on this. I found some gold just right now on the floor, so we're gonna use some gold too. Why not? Beautiful. And I want to add purple nurple in there, so I'm gonna look for my purple. I took the legs off so this stuff was easier to paint. I came up with a way better idea. I'm just popping these things off. Flip. Oh yeah. I'm a ninja. Oh! I don't want that breaking. Boom. I don't know. What is this? A hula hoop? Oh, what's this? Whoa. Square. Equals MC squared.